I was thinking about this, but the connection down below are definitely fact. Right now there's no any signal. All CTOC and NMEA connection is.
For navigation and automatic pilot.
So what we got today?
Unfortunately, we have specialist came on board and spent some time and make some tests. Then he takes the one part and put a new software on it, and we are exactly at the same point. We don't know where it's coming from, the problem. The guy is very nice, has a lot of knowledge, he knows this autopilot perfectly, and I don't critique him. I knew it was not so easy, and but no solution for now. Expect to put a new one, but we don't want to go through that.
So we're trying to find
another. We'll see, I don't know. The guy took off this part to put a new software, the last version of software, but he didn't put it back, and we agree to save some money. I can finish this kind of stuff.
So now you have to take care of the mess around.
Now, bye-bye.
All of that should be inside now. I can't believe we have so much room inside. So finally it was not a bad idea to take off everything like that. You know what you have in stock.
So many. I'm happy I found a good one.
Oh, by the way, could you explain the story? Oh yeah.
When it was in Puerto Rico, we should use this one.
Oh yeah.
I don't even know
That's
I
a
have it.
good time to to talk about. Could you explain the story with this wood case you have?
It's my father did it with his hand.
Yeah, old
ca-
custom.
I can say at least 25 years ago.
And it looks very good.
And yeah, and at this time I cannot find something so useful like this one, because he did it as my demand to put everything I want, and it's perfect. I still have it and I'm so happy.
And it's working well.
Thanks, Dad.
And it has like few levels, right? And many sections.
5 row like that, different inside, plus a big stuff here. I can put everything. Well, almost, because I have another one here.
Oh yeah. For the Valentine's Day, Jack got me flower, red rose. I put it in my crystal vase, pure plastic. And we just went out for a dinner around and we had a great time together. What's new you have to fix, Jack?
We found yesterday evening some water in the boat, and it was salt water, so a bit worried about that. And I thought at the beginning it's coming from the axle, and apparently it is not. That's the good news. It's coming from here, and it is going like that. As we clean often here with the salt water and the water going, so I'm gonna clean that perfectly. The gasket is still good, and make a test. Otherwise, I'm gonna change it. So nothing.
So that's easy fix for now.
Nothing bad.
What is it for?
Here we have the rudder access. Then we have a bar here in case all the system breaks. We can put a bar. So I put some.
Right.
Everyone knows this miracle product. Do not get rusty.
Fix is done.
Yeah.
For now, you don't replace it, right?
For now, no, but I'm gonna follow that because I will not hesitate to replace it. It's not a big deal. It's not expensive part. So just some work.
After many tries, Jacques got an idea himself what can cause the problem with Autopilot, and to know that we have to go out of the lagoon because we were inside trying to be closer to people who can fix the Autopilot, and nothing really good happened. So now we are going out, waiting for the next bridge opening, and during the navigation in the open ocean we're gonna finish up the test and see. What's been done and what's happening now?
So for now it's working. What a difference. After a few tests I understood, even when we was at anchor, with rudder feedback disconnected, the pilot works. So that's why I want to make a test. So now when the engine is working perfectly, it turns as a mount. For now it's perfect. So it's a good sign. I don't have an indication of the angle of the rudder. I absolutely don't care about that. I have this. It's that never stopped working.
Yeah, that's the middle.
Yeah. And we will see under sail and under more difficult condition if it's still good, but it should be good. It's just some setup step by step.
Normally we're gonna go to see Saint Bart tomorrow, as Autopilot that is fixed by my wonderful captain husband all in one. And we need to do some grocery stock because we're gonna be away from stores like for 2 weeks, and we're gonna go to buy good fridge stuff.
Yeah. We'll see tomorrow. Everything is okay.
Yes. Jacques, when
okay.
he fixed it in the right way. We're on our way to Saint Bart, and it's gonna be around 25-mile passage, so we should be able to make it in about 5 hours. We will be crossing 40-meter waters, so we should be able to catch a fish, the one we can eat. And in Saint Bart we are planning to stay for a week, and by the end of the next week we are planning to come back to Saint Martin for the regatta, so we would like to be here to see what's happening and to finish some work on the road. Now we are crossing the Dutch side of Saint Martin. For sure we're not gonna be anchoring anywhere around. And at the beginning we got some wind, but now we turn and we're face to wind, so we will be motoring all way long. Navigation is not so hard for you today?
No, that's okay. I'm gonna have a rest after, so it's okay.
So finally we got here. And what happened with Autopilot today?
Strange. He go straight for sometimes, and after that he start to go on one way, and maybe some setup. I'm not sure. I think the story is not finished.
Yeah, we were navigating, changing shifts all the time, but I cannot complain. I advanced my skills. Navigation skills. We also had a problem with the main cell at the beginning. At certain point when we tried to put it up, something got jammed inside, so we just forget about it and put it down. We didn't catch any fish, but we're not surprised. It became normal. What else happened today?
I find a very nice autopilot.
Okay. Well, it's a nice place. Actually, I was expecting to see more huge yachts and no really small boats, but we are in a place where there are a lot of small boats, so we feel comfortable here. And we will see how it looks from the land.
Yeah.
That's cool, huh?
It is like that I start to sail on the same boat
Was some time ago.
some time ago on Optimist.
That's what happened to us during this week in 14 minutes. We have left Saint Martin and we're still fighting with our autopilot. If someone knows something, has some knowledge, can give us some tips, please let us know in the commenting section below. It would really help us, because we're thinking we're this far from fixing it by ourselves. If you would like to know more about us, please simply subscribe to our channel by clicking this little red button in the corner, and give us thumbs up if you like this movie. And thank you very much to all our patrons for your support. We really appreciate that. And if you would like to support us, you can also do it on patreon.com/SailingJAEKA. Thank you very much and see you next week. Bye now.